Have a good day, friends. Today I am going to cover up the localities of west side of Pune. The first location which I am going to cover is Bavdhan. Bavdhan nested amidst three hills on its south, east, and west, and the scenic Pashan Lake in the north, has seen gradual growth in the form of planned development. Bavdhan has grown to be one of the most preferred residential localities in western Pune because of its perfect location and steady development. It is well connected to Kothrood, Pout Road, Baner, Aund, Hinjewadi, Pashan, University Circle, Sus via excellent roads. The railway station is about 15 kilometers away and the airport about 22 kilometers away. Sutarwadi, Abhinav College, and Bavdan village are the major stops for PMPML buses that cater to passengers. The second location is Pashan, preferred locality of software professional for safe environment, particularly for late night shifts, easy availability of public transport, proximity to banks, market, hospitals, etc. It is quite green as compared to other areas of Pune. It is always cooler by at least 2 degrees compared other areas. It is situated in the midway from main city and Hinjawadi and other software parks. It has main water storage of PMC, hence virtually no water shortage. The third location is Bani. Baner is one of the major commercial zones of Pune and has three CES: Hinjawadi IT Park, Baner City, and the Teerth ABP. Many IT companies like Honeywell, TCS, IBM, and Accenture have their offices in this area. The locality also has number of tourist spots. Nearby Baner localities include many famous areas of the city of Pune such as Hinjawadi, SB Road, Shivaji Nagar, Pune Station. The varieties of the projects available in this area are many and they range from affordable to luxurious. Neighbors are very nice and cosmopolitan culture. No slum area, bank, theatre and hospitals are many more. The fourth location is Balewadi. Balewadi is a part of the city of Pune in India. It is located in the western part of the city and is famous for the Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex. Balewadi, along with neighbor areas of Aund and Baner, are planned for development as part of broader Smart Cities mission initiated by the Government of India in 2015. The selected areas are will be developed as a model to be replicated in other parts of the city. It is linked to Pune Municipal Corporation, Pune Cantonment, Chinchwad, and Alandi by Pune Mahanagar Parivahan Mahamandal Limited buses. The Katraj Dehu Road corridor passes through Balewadi. It is connected to Pune via Bane Road. There are PMPML buses going to Hinjawadi via Balewadi. Bus rapid transit is planned from airport to Balewadi from Pune Municipal Corporation. The fifth location is Wakad. Wakad is a very nice location. It is well connected to Pune Mumbai Expressway, nearby Hinjawadi IT Park, well developed areas in prime location. The phenomenal growth of Wakad can be attributed to the coming up of the Infotech and Biotechnology Park at Hinjawadi, close to Pune Mumbai Expressway West. Many schools, colleges, and hospitals also, as a result, it is seen as an ideal residential destination in Pune. It is also close to three proposed bus rapid transit routes, namely Nasik Fata Wakad, Aund Rawet, and Kalewadi Fata Dehu Alandi Road. Construction of the BRT corridor is currently under progress. Towards the east are Pimple Nulak, Pimple Saudagar, and Aund. Towards the south are the Mola River, Baner, Pashan, and Balewadi Shri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex, and towards the north are Thergaon, Akodi, Chinchwad, and Rawit. The sixth location is Aund. Aund is a good locality. It is a perfect mix of quiet residential lanes and buzzing commercial areas. It is one of the most green areas even with so many people living here. Some residential lanes like Sanewadi, Pushpak Park are serene and full of trees, yet a minute's walk away from bus commercial hubs. Aun has plenty of hospitals, schools, western malls with Cinepolis, IMAX theaters, and lots of restaurants. Aund has a huge cave culture and plenty of small cafes and eateries, always filled with young people. Streets have some traffic during peak hours, especially around the mall. The Pune Smart City concept has been applied to some streets in Aund, which makes it very pedestrianly friendly. Also, public transport has been boosted by public bicycle pedal, which makes short commute easier. There are special cycle lanes for cyclists. So all this makes Aund a perfect place for residing or doing business. The next location is Malunge. Malunge is selected for high tech city, which is plus one than smart city. It is connected to Ring Road and had great connectivity to Baner, Hinjawadi, and Mumbai Bangalore Expressway. The biggest advantage of residential properties in Baner Annex is the proximity to finest residential locates like Baner, Aun, Pimple Nilak, and Pimple Saudagar that are buzzing with lifestyle and employment alike. Mumbai Pune Bangalore Highway itself passes through Wakad and thus makes this suburb an important one, and further along intersects with Aun Raver BRTS at Malungi, a busy junction. The seventh location is Hinjawadi. The locality is very good near all markets and others. The social infrastructure in Pune is refined, which enables the residents to get seamless approach to schools and hospitals in the locality. You will enjoy the lifestyle conditions in the complex with everything within your reach. A number of IT hubs have been developed in the city, and several MNCs have expanded to Pune in recent years. The employment potential of the city is great. Besides, corporate employees migrating to city can get quality homes close to their offices. The next location is Pimple Saudagar. Pimple Saudagar is a preferred location by software professional to reside due to the close proximity of Hinjawadi Software IT Park, easy access to Pune city and Mumbai Bangalore highway. All the basic needs is nearby from this location such as marketplace, mall, shopping center, hospitals, schools and banks. The next location is Pimple Nilak. Pimple Nilak is very near to Pune IT hub Hinjawadi, PMPML and private transport facility. Near to key locations like Hinjawadi IT Park, Aun, Baner, University of Pune. It is also near to NH4 Express Highway. It is just 8 kilometers from University and 4 kilometers from Aun. Best suitable IT professional working in Hinjawadi. The 11th location is Bhumkar Chowk. Bhumkar Nagar is a nice locality for working bachelors and students. This locality has plenty of street food stalls are available near Indira College and DY Patil College. Snacks shops at Bhumkar Chowk and Hinjawadi Bridge. It is 5 to 7 minutes drive from Hinjawadi IT Park. The road connectivity IT Park is wide 4-lane road. The locality is right next to Mumbai Pune Expressway and hence convenient for people who needs to travel frequently to Mumbai. The locality has seen enormous interest by builders to launch projects due to proximity to Hinjawadi. Almost all reputed builders of Pune are constructing the projects in this locality. Akshar Elementa, Varva Residency, Royal Endenta, Royal Glory, The Address Brewery, Brewery Hills, Opus 77 are among few good ready to move societies near Bhumkar Chowk. 12th one is Punaule. Punaule is very good location. It is so close to Hinjawadi Mumbai Expressway. It's just 2 kilometers away. It is very near to vegetable market, shops, hotels, hospitals and banks. Transport facility is also good in the locality. The next location is Tathawade. Tathawade is the next Wakad, only 500 meters from Bhumkar Chowk. It has all civic amenities. 2 MBA colleges are there in Tathawade. There are 4 schools in the vicinity. All the areas in Wakad are open lands which give pleasure in living. It is a great option to invest and live in as well. The next location is Rawet. Rawet has developed vastly in the recent 5 to 6 years and it has become a great locality to live now. However, the pollution is still minimal. It is equipped with nature's bounty pleasant for an evening stroll. The roads are excellent over here. The basket bridge, which is the Rawet, connects to the core Pune city, Hinjawadi, and also NH4 and Mumbai Pune Expressway. Home space solution suggestions. West side consists of 2 sides. Left side of Bombay, Bangalore Highway, which consists of areas like Paudan, Malunge, Hinjawadi, Punaule, and right side of Bombay, Bangalore Highway, which have areas like Pashan, Baudan, Wakad, Baner, Valewadi, Aun, Bhumkar Chowk, Tathawade and Rawet. So one can choose area right or left side of Bombay Bangalore Highway according to their likings. Thank you.